3 months ago, we built our dream study app. 200,000 if you watched that video. Thousands more joined the beta. So we spent the last 3,000 hours rebuilding the entire thing. If you're new here, we're 4 recent Imperial grads trying to put your entire study stack into one app. We built AI that actually adapts to how you study. Let me show you what's new. In Amphi, now you can build your own AI tutors. Simply give your tutor a personality and describe how you like to learn. Drop in your study materials, circle anything, and get tailored help instantly. Whether that's next steps, explanations, or help finding new resources. This isn't just AI, it's AI built for real student workflows. In the last video, we introduced widgets, but you guys wanted more of them. And now we have 6 new widgets. A dedicated YouTube widget, Desmos and Wolfram Alpha, a satisfying to-do list, and a Pomodoro timer to lock in. And your most asked for feature, flashcards, which you can import from and export to Anki, all toggleable, all on one canvas. We've seen everybody argue about this, infinite canvas or notebooks. So that's why we built both into Amphi. You can map your ideas on an infinite canvas or switch to a clean, customizable notebook. Bring in your PDFs and slides and annotate everything in one space. But more importantly, we rebuilt the entire app for performance. We also have better pens and presets available, a smarter eraser, and a powerful custom lasso. We added a minimap to jump anywhere instantly and iCloud sync so your notes are always safe. So, when are we launching? First of all, thank you. The 4 of us have read every comment, every idea. We're not done yet, but we are close. We're launching on the App Store this April, just in time for exams. Comment down below what we should build next. To download the new beta and join the waitlist, visit useamphi.com.